You're already selling on WooCommerce, eBay, or Amazon and want to publish your products on Kaufland quickly? With Eselt, it only takes a few clicks. Connect your shop, and Eselt instantly shows you all products ready for import, including images, descriptions, and variants. You choose which products you want to import. In your dashboard, everything is clearly organized in one place. With the integrated AI, you can prepare your product for Kaufland in just seconds. Clear, precise, and search optimized. Then, simply match the variants imported from WooCommerce with the corresponding Kaufland variants. Your offer is then sent to Kaufland. First, you'll see a yellow dot. This means Kaufland is processing the data, which may take a moment. That's how easily you transfer your products to Kaufland with Eselt.